What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I was brought to this site because it's a guy, whoever he is, he's promoting fake websites. And well, this being a website that's fake, but I ain't gonna say fake websites, but he promoted this fake website through YouTube advertisement. And I knew it didn't pay because I looked at it before and I realized that he keep promoting it. So the thing is, I just want to let y'all know that it's not paying, it's not real, it's fake. And the great thing about it is, guys, I want to let y'all really know that you can make money from opportunities. All you gotta do is comment, like, subscribe. So just comment, like, subscribe, watch all my videos, and you'll know the future and then all the old videos. You can make money online. Free PayPal ways and free Bitcoin ways. So if that sounds interested in you, comment, like, subscribe on my channel. I made this video for people that either made their own video thinking they were gonna get paid or whatever, or even made a video saying it's a scam, because of course it's a scam. And a scam means you're not gonna get paid. You put all the time and work into it, you won't get paid because it's not gonna pay you guys. I want to say they probably collecting, emails or whatever you put in. That's what some people be on. You gotta be careful. You gotta do your due diligence. And sorry, but come join. And a guy like me, it's not gonna be a lot of us to tell you guys the truth, because at the end of the day, a lot of people just gonna get you to join stuff and tell you nothing. But if you don't believe me, if you don't think I'm being honest, that's cool. But if you believe in me, you have some type of faith in me, comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and watch real money making videos, real money making websites and apps. Sorry, much mouth right now. I get excited, because I know I'm gonna get new eyes to my programs, because I was once that person, didn't know anything, like some newbies, because I know most newbies will follow this opportunity right here, the surveyj.co. It's not real, guys. Just letting y'all know, it's not a real site. If you want to make money with free PayPal cash, free Bitcoin cash with apps and websites, Gmail me ASAP, please. I said please. So get in tune with me. It's your boy Mr.Mmo, Mr.MC. Let's get it. Let's go. And like I said, this don't pay, so don't join. Just letting you know, giving you a heads up. Don't waste your energy. Don't waste your time. Okay? And please don't waste your money on paying for traffic to get, referrals, guys, because you're going to waste money, time, energy, everything. Just letting you know. So I have another link below the description. If you from anywhere around the world, this is worldwide, so anybody can join. No matter what country, no matter what state or town you in, no matter what tribe you're from or whatever the case may be, you can join and make money. So I was just letting you guys know. The main way you can get paid is surveys, and another main way you get paid is watching videos, and another main way you get paid is bringing in referrals. So it's a worldwide opportunity, and you can use it as a website, and you can use it as an app. So bingo, one site where you can use it as an app and a website. Most websites that pay you free PayPal cash or whatever, Bitcoin, is normally just website, and most apps is apps. Well, I got one for you guys that's for both. So if you don't have a laptop, desktop, you can use your smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone, you can use your desktop, laptop, tablet. So didn't want to make this too long. Just letting you know, Survey J. Cole. Sound like Survey J. Cole, but surveyj.co. I said J. Cole. Don't copyright that. I wasn't trying to say that. But surveyj.co. It's not paying, so just letting you know. So all that make it $500 a day, stop that. Stop it, please. I'm out. Mr.Mmo, Mr.MC, let's get it, let's go.